If you've ever wanted to get high from chips and dip, this is the video for you. Hey everybody, and welcome back. So, as we know, March Madness is approaching, and everybody loves infused snacks. But sometimes, honestly, it's a giant pain in the ass to make something from scratch. So I'm going to show you a way to take packaged chips and a packaged dip and turn it into your most ridiculous edible for some crazy March Madness shenanigans. So this is just a standard onion dip from the store. And I'm just going to put that into a little ball here. Yummy. All right, get that out of here. Now, by itself, this is just straight up onion dip and chips. There's no infusion or anything that's been done previous to this. So what I have here is some deep carb cannabis that I have left over from a tincture infusion, so it's actually pretty low dose. It's actually the cannabis that came out of this tincture. So I'm just going to take a little bit of this flour and just sprinkle it right on top of the dip as if it was like the finishing herb. And then I'm going to add to that a couple of dashes of the actual tincture to provide a little potency. And then to kind of cool things off and make it nice and light and level, a little bit of CBD oil. And then to finish it all off, some fresh cracked black pepper. And here you go. Now you've taken a store-bought chips and store-bought dip and turned it into an insane edible for your next party.